This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is Art Attack. Again. Hey, have you ever wanted to see your face in a comic strip? Well, now's your chance. Take an A3 size piece of white paper or thin card and fold it lengthways down the middle like that, then back across on itself in half like that, and then fold that flap down in half like that, turn it over and fold that flap down in half like that. So you have what looks like an M shape, and it stands up like that. And then lay it down flat again and create your comic strip. Now if you lay it down with the creased side on the bottom and then draw a thick black line all the way around your paper like that. Try and keep as close to the edge as you can possibly get. Now don't worry if your line isn't straight, because these wonky lines all add to the comic strip effect. Up there, and then go down 3 creases, 1, 2, 3, like that. And then take a pencil and inside each of these boxes create a comic strip frame. Now your frame should be about 2 centimetres wide all the way round, and I'm just going to do one in each of the boxes here. The reason I'm using pencil is because if I make a mistake I can just rub it out and try it again. Try not to use a ruler for this, because these wobbly lines all add to that zany comic strip effect. Then when you've done your frames, try some comic strip special effects. Things like maybe a speech bubble in there, just like that. Or what about an explosion box in there? Or what about a word box in the top left-hand corner? Again, just putting it in rough. And for the last one, I think we'll do a thinks bubble. And then go over it neatly in black felt tip pen. I'm just going to open it out, and you cut out all those windows like that, and you end up with something that looks like that. And then turn it over and dab some glue very carefully along the creases. Here it is, down one crease, down the middle crease, like that. You only need a bit of glue for this. And then this is very important. Put some glue down these 2 edge strips, but right on the outside edge of the strips. That's one there, and this one, this other edge strip here. Don't let the glue go into the middle of this strip, otherwise you'll be in a right mess. And don't put any glue along the top edge, and then fold the whole thing over like that. Press it down, leave it overnight with some books on top of it to press it down nicely, and you'll end up with something that looks like that. Look at that. And then just trim some photos to fit in each of the frames, and you could always pop in a photo of yourself, just sliding it all the way down there. After all, you did want to appear in a comic strip. Or you could pop in a photo of your favourite pop star. In it goes. Or what about a family snap? There they are, everyone's favourite family. Not my family though. And what about a picture of your pet? In it goes. And then you can just write some messages in your special effects boxes. What about that? Or maybe, I think I'll do this one in red because it's a loud noise. Wow. Or what about in there? Ah! And as for my pet, well, what would he say? And there it is, your own comic strip photo frame. And you could always do a smaller one using an A4 size piece of paper, or if you've only got one photograph, just cut out one box. Try it yourself, a comic strip photo frame.